Hello dear students, today we shall solve chapter 12 of class 4. The chapter is the Stone Guru. Let's come to the chapter. Number 1. Answer the following questions. A. Who came to see Dronacharya? Answer. Eklavya came to see Dronacharya. B. What was the purpose of Eklavya? Answer. The purpose of Eklavya was to be the greatest archer of this world. C. What was full of arrows? Answer. The dog's mouth was full of arrows. D. Why did Dronacharya not teach Eklavya? Answer. Dronacharya did not teach Eklavya because he was a lowly tribal. E. What did Eklavya give as Guru Dakshina? Answer. Eklavya gave his right thumb as Guru Dakshina. Now we should come to question number 2. Question number 2 says, write who said to whom. There are 3 columns here. One is for statement, second is for who said, and third, to whom. We will see it. You are the greatest teacher of archery, Eklavya said to Dronacharya. I teach only the royal princess. Dronacharya said to Eklavya. Spelling of princess should be only one A, not double A. That dog's mouth is full of arrows. Arjuna said to Dronacharya. Next, I shot an arrow after taking your permission. Eklavya said to Dronacharya. And last one, I want my Guru Dakshina. Dronacharya said to Eklavya. Now we should come to question number 3. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks. 2 options are present here. You have to choose the right option and fill in the blanks. The rich have dash wealth. Options: much, many. Much is correct option. The rich have much wealth. She has read dash books. Option: much, many. Many is the right answer. She has read many books. C. Priya has dash water. Options are no, any. No is the right option. Priya has no water. D. His health is dash good. Options are very, two. Right option is very. His health is very good. Next one. Dash sons are not naughty. Options are all your. Your is the right option. Your sons are not naughty. F. He has a dash rice. Options few, little. Right option is little. He has a little rice. Next, Himanshu wants to buy dash books. All, some. Some is the right option. Himanshu wants to buy some books. And H. There are dash students in the class. Any or some. Right option is some. There are some students in the class. Now we should come to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, arrange the following words in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It means the word that will start from first letter, that should be written at first. After that, another word should be written which comes after that in alphabet. Answer is written here. Question has not been written here. A. Apple, bed, pencil, tree, zebra. Dog, papaya, parent, tomato, yak. One thing you should keep in your mind: when two words start with the same alphabet, that time we see the second alphabet of that word. If second is also same, that time we see the third alphabet of that word for writing in alphabetical order. Like parent comes after papaya. P, A, P, A are common in both. After that in papaya there is P and parent R. So papaya has been written first, parents later on. Cook, habit, horse, igloo, shirt. D. All words starts with A. So we have seen here second letter, aeroplane, ant, arrow, S, X. E. In E all words start with L, and two words start with the same letter, L, A. So first of all lake, after that lamp. Lemon, lion, lotus. So we will follow the same pattern here. Now question number 5. Some are K sound words and some are S sound words. Color K sound words with green and S sound words with red. In your book, these words are given in a box. You will color the box in green letters and red letters. K sound words should be colored in green and S sound words should be colored in red. Here I have written the answer, and answer is written in one line. You can also answer in this way. Otherwise, you should just frame the box, and in that box you should color these words which are K sound in green. K sound words are kettle, catch, custom, cook, cool, cat, cover, clay, cold, cave, clear. All words start with C but they have K sound. S sound words are cycle, center, shell, cylinder, cement. You will color S sound words in red. These words also start with C but their sound is S. So you will differentiate these words in green letter and red letters. Now we should come to question number 6, which is the last question of this chapter, and the question is: make sentences from the given words. A. Purpose. His purpose is good. B. Permission. I got the permission. Performance. Your performance is the best. D. Prince. Ramesh is a prince. E. Possible. This work is possible. And F. Perfect. My father is a perfect man. You can also make your own sentences. There is no problem in it. Sentences may be different. It depends on your choice. But try to create small sentences, simple sentences. That time there will be no chance of mistake. Thank you. Have a nice day.